Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Joshua Anthony. I'm a student at Georgia State, and I've done every type of possible schooling you can imagine: private school, online school, public school, and my family is full of educators, the vast majority, as a matter of fact. This bill puts a thorn in all that they have tried and worked for. We are dividing our students for issues that don't exist. We're hiding their history. We preach about we want to protect the First Amendment rights and critical thinking, but hiding their history in its sense, is discarding what history truly is. The purpose of history is to learn from it and what to do in the future to prevent it. And we speak about Martin Luther King. You love that quote of yours. I see that and I respect that. But are we going to let our students know that the man that killed them had racist sympathies? He believed in a system where white people did, in fact, people did, in fact, believe that white people were the leaders of the world. It's not fair to your students. It's not fair to the people. It's not fair to the teachers who are hemmed up with this specific issue. So what we're doing here is allowing the possibility of an issue that doesn't exist to flare up into an issue that does now exist. We're creating a problem that doesn't exist. And I see the 10 seconds waving. I appreciate you. The biggest thing is that I'm in opposition of this simply because we are putting our children in danger. We're putting our teachers in danger. And this is just the biggest slap in the face to history and everything that Black people and people who have supported us in going forward into progressing into a stronger nation have fought for. Thank you.